Vakrasana. Vakra means twist or bent. To do this asana, sit down with both your legs stretched out in front of you. Keep your hands next to your pelvis. Be careful that the weight of your body is not on your hands. This pose is called Dandasana. Now bend your right leg and place the foot next to the knee of your left leg. Now take your left hand across your right knee and place the palm next to your right foot. While slowly breathing out, turn your right hand back and twist your body and head towards the right. Make sure that your back is straight. Breathing in and out normally, stay still in this posture for about 10 to 30 seconds. Vakrasana makes your spine flexible. This asana stimulates the pancreas and helps in controlling diabetes. Vakrasana is also beneficial for your liver. Vakrasana provides relief from constipation and also helps improve the digestive process. Avoid doing this asana if you are suffering from extreme back pain or problems related to the spine or slip disc. Also avoid doing this asana if your stomach has been operated on. Women should avoid doing this asana during their monthly menstrual cycle. After staying in this posture for about 10 to 30 seconds, while letting your breath out, straighten your head, body, and legs, and come back to the Dandasana pose. Now, place both your hands behind and relax your body in the Vishramasana pose. After resting for some time, repeat the sequence of steps on the other side. Doing Vakrasana regularly decreases the fat in your stomach and has a positive effect on the internal organs of your body and helps you live a life free of constipation.